being a part of this is two-part. All right? One part is we try to set this up, make it all fun for you, work hard, play basketball. But the second part is when you leave here and you go back to school this coming year, that you take care of your business in the classroom. Okay? Because all of our parents, they tell us how well some of you are doing in school and not doing in school. All right, so I would hate to not have somebody back next year just because they didn't take care of their business in the classroom this year. All right, so that has to be an agreement between me and you that you're going to do what you have to do in the class so that you have the opportunity to come back. And if mom or dad says no, that you can't come back next year because you didn't do what you're supposed to do in the class, then those favorite words that we all like to hear, I told you so, that's what you want to hear. All right, so make sure you have